Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I'm making Celtic knot components for earrings and bracelets. I'm using 20 gauge gold Beadalon German style wire and 6mm glass faceted beads. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon job pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with 5 inches of 20 gauge German style wire, and I'm going to turn the end into a closed loop using the bail making pliers. I'll curve the wire around, and with the end of a marker I'm going to make a round form, holding it firmly and bringing the wire all the way around to the top, squeezing it in to make it a nice smooth loop. And we are going to take the bail making pliers and curve the wire down towards the center and out to the left side. Turn the piece around, and with the end of the bail making pliers we are going to curve the wire around and down towards the bottom. I'm just eyeballing this. You can trace a pattern if you would like. I'm just going to bring it around, and at the center bottom we're going to curve it up and around to the right side, using your finger to curve the wire. Bring it right around, and now we're going to take the end and curve it around up towards the top, wiggling it around to fit within the frame and bringing the wire up towards the top to complete the knot. And now we want to finish it in the center, so we are going to continue and curve the wire around and down towards the center, bringing it right down and around, making sure all the wires line up to make it symmetrical. And then we'll remove the pliers and we'll clip it flush. We're going to just pinch it down with the chain nose pliers so the wire sits in there nice and flush. Do any little adjustments that you need, and then I'm going to take one of my handmade earring hooks. I'll link up the tutorial for the hooks, and there are the earrings. Now for the bracelet, we are going to get 3 inches of the German style wire and bend it at the 1 inch mark and make a loop on one end and slide that component on. So we're sliding it through the frame and the bottom loop. We'll wind the wire around to close it up and clip the end flush. Pinch in that little pokey end, add your bead, and then you're going to bend it and get the bail making pliers to bring the wire around, and we will slide it on the other end of another link. So they're going to be going the same direction. Hold the loop with your chain nose pliers, bring the end around, and clip it with the flush cutters. Pinch in that little pokey end and continue attaching the links. Now we are going to make the clasp, so we're going to continue making our loops at the end of the wire, add it to your last component, hold it with the chain nose pliers, bring the wire around to close it up, clip it with the flush cutters, and pinch in that pokey end. Add your bead, and then just bend the wire out, bring it around with the bail making pliers, and I'm using a larger part of the bail making pliers to make a larger loop for the clasp. Wind the wire around, clip it, and pinch in the pokey end. Adjust it, Now we're going to do the hook. So again, at the 1-inch mark, make our loop to attach it to the bracelet. Add it onto the end link. Hold it with the chain nose pliers. Bring the wire around. Clip it. Pinch in the pokey end. Add your bead. And now we are going to do a little loop with the round nose pliers to hold that bead in place, and then we're going to form the hook. So just make a little loop, pinch it, and with the larger part of the bail making pliers, bring the wire around to make your hook. And then we need to finish the end, so we'll use the end of our round nose pliers and clip it and pinch it in place. Just make a tiny little loop there. And you see it just attaches, and there's your beautiful bracelet.
Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.